Daily English-Tagalog Useful Sentences. Narinig ko, may pinag-uusapan silang hindi maganda. I heard they were talking about something bad. Alam mo ba kung saan niya tinago ang damit ko? Do you know where he or she hid my clothes? Marahil, hindi magandang makialam sa pinag-uusapan ng iba. Probably it's not good to interfere with the conversation of others. Ano sa tingin mo ang magandang plano para bukas? What do you think is a good plan for tomorrow? Wala akong ideya kung saan niya gagamitin iyon. I don't have any idea where he or she will use it. Pag-isipan mong mabuti bago ka magdesisyon. Think carefully before you decide. Dalhin mo sa kanya ang mga gamit niya. Kailangan niya yon. Bring him his things. He needs it. Nananahimik ako dito. Bakit mo ako ginugulo? I'm silent here. Why did you bother me? Normal na kasi sa kanya ang umalis ng walang paalam. It's normal for him or her to leave without saying goodbye. Kausapin mo siya. Baka sakaling matauhan. Talk to him. He might be conscious. Ibang-iba ka na ngayon, di tulad ng dati. You're different now, unlike before. Marami na ang nagbago sa paligid natin na hindi natin namamalayan. Many things have changed around us that we are not aware of. Kasama ko siyang dumating, pero nauna siyang umalis. He came with me but he left first. May mga bagay-bagay talaga na hindi natin maintindihan. There are things that we cannot understand. Maswerte ka kasi may nag-aalaga sa'yo. You're lucky because there's someone who takes care of you. Ibahin mo siya sa lahat, hindi siya mahirap pakisamahan. He's different from anyone else. He is not difficult to get along with. Hindi ko palalampasin ang pagkakataon na makasama ka. I will not miss the opportunity to be with you. Pilitin mong alalahanin ang mga nakaraan, baka sakaling may maalala ka. Force yourself to remember the past, just in case you remember something. Huwag kang maingay, baka may makarinig sa'yo. Don't be noisy, someone might hear you. Sobrang tahimik ng lugar, may nakatira pa ba dito? The place is so quiet. Does anyone still live here? Nalilito ako sa mga nangyayari ngayon. I am confused by what is happening now. May pag-asa pa bang magbago ang lahat? Is there any hope that everything will change? Gusto ko lang naman ng simpleng buhay. Yun lang. I just want a simple life. That's it.